Boy, do I have a treat for y'all today. Y'all are not going to believe this place, the backyard and everything you get with it. We are at 25820 Carnoustie Way in beautiful Greystone Golf Community in Denham Springs, just outside of Baton Rouge. This house is 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage, 4220 square feet of living area. And with that, you get a balcony, get a beautiful pool and spa, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all this backyard in a minute. You're on the golf course. For one, let's go inside, get out of here. Got your own putting green in the backyard, which is awesome. You have a pool house in the back. Whole outdoor kitchen, it's screened in, it's amazing. And you're also on one of the neighborhood ponds, which is part of the golf course. So let's check this place out. I saw the outside walking in. Gorgeous foyer area, everything's custom in this house. And just the entryway, get to the open dining area. I love the lighting in here. I love the lighting in a lot of the houses that I see. It's all different. Just like a lot of the houses I've shown you all before, it's a great custom tile. Some of the bathroom areas. Open living room, French doors to get out back, brick fireplace. Go to the kitchen next. Massive island. That island's got to be like 15 to 18 feet long. Sub-Zero style fridge, tons and tons of storage. What do they say? Chef's dreams, chef's kitchen. Man, I wouldn't know what to do with myself here. Beautiful tile backsplash. Floating shelves. Got a separate little living area over here too. Flex area, do what you want. Back up to the guest parts real quick. So you got some great storage. Can't remember if the light pops on automatically. Yes. So this is under stairwell. Good storage there. Keep moving. Guest bedroom over here. Got a little bit of workout equipment in it right now. Takes you all the way to a front side door by the driveway. And the garage. It's off in here. Let's see. I ain't gonna get an idea. 3-car garage. My truck's in it right now. And got a guest bath. So full bath. Granite counters, good storage. And the laundry room has automatic lights too. So, good hanging area. Sink, storage up high. Pretty tile down here. Place for a washer and dryer. Won't take us long. Let's go upstairs real quick. Do some good balcony views. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms, shared bathroom, a massive loft bonus room area you can do a lot with. See all the can lights up here. And guys, this room is close to 30 feet long, I would imagine. A lot you can do. Got the workout equipment here. It's the first bedroom. Got a little closet right there, but I'll show you this closet real quick. It's pretty cool. So, a little bit of natural lighting coming in. A lot of room in there. Do what you need. Pocket door. This entrance to the bathroom. As promised, pretty tile. There's me, even though you know what I look like already. So, nice tile going on there. This is where the shared part comes in. Love the lighting in here too. All the way through. Over here, pocket door as well. And here's the other bedroom. Closet space isn't as good in this one. It's not bad. The other one just had that massive one. Okay, cannot wait to show y'all this balcony area. There's a lot to take in up here, but worth it. All right, so nice tile out here, open views throughout. Nice, comfy, how do you call that? A rocking couch. What it looks like. Actually, the neighbors got good views of them too. They got a nice pool and almost like a swim up bar over there, but we won't spend too much time on that property. I got a lot of turf back here. Child's play set. Beautiful pool house area. Pool, spa. I'll show you when we get down there, but I don't want to forget because I'm looking right at it right now. They got French drains, but it's all bricked. First time I've seen it. It's gorgeous. Look up here. Obviously, we're on one of the ponds. Got fairway back over here. Here, we have one of the greens. So you can watch people, cheer them on if you want. Be that guy. Nice little fire pit area down here. Personal putting green. Right downstairs, check out the primaries, and then head outside, get a closer look at all of that. Look, I'd love to know what y'all think so far. If you're watching, please like this, comment, ask me any questions. Boy, look at that pretty light right there. The stairwell. Tell me your favorite part. What do you like least? What would you change? Do different? Everything helps. Obviously, if you don't mind, a few of y'all have been watching these videos. Please, please, please like and subscribe. That helps other people see what we're putting out there. Pre-approved for 1.3 million. Feel free to give me a call. I would love to show you this property in person. All right, so got a guest bath right here. Very pretty. Again, change up the tile. Each one of these, very nice. Another guest bedroom, little built-in desk area. The left is huge. Airplane. Maybe we'll be coming back to get that. Pretty though. And good amount of closet space right here. This is right off of the primary. Very large primary. Can lights, ceiling fan and lights, tray ceiling, a wall space to mount a TV if you want to do that. French doors to the backyard directly. This is staging to show you how big it is. Got big king bed here. A lot of space on either side. Massive mirror, tall ceilings. We got it going on in here. All right, primary bath. A quick look at the tile. Like I said, very nice. Soaking tub. Great lighting. Right over it. Huge glassed-in shower, tile. Place to sit. Can't go wrong. Good space there. Closet, tiled in the closet. Cubbies. Another sink there. Vanity there. Get another shot of the tub. Peek inside the shower area. What kind of room you're working with. I'm getting a shower like that soon. Alright, got the water closet. Pocket doors. I think the light's automatic in here. Yes. Another automatic light. Another closet. Built-in drawers, shelves. Great use of space. All right, now my favorite part. We gonna go out back. Spend hours out here. I would never, ever be bored. Let's see this covered area. Very large. Big enough for ping pong. Got it from this way. There, I can give you a quick shot of these French drains we were talking about. This is all around the pool area. I haven't seen that. That is great though. Great. Take a quick peek. The kids area over here. Turf. I say kids, I mean, you're an adult like me and a big kid. You could have fun on it too, I'm sure. Plenty of room. Look at the rear elevation. This house is absolutely gorgeous. Cool. Shallow shelf goes off to the deep end. Hot tub, waterfall area, fountains. Over here real quick, get a good look at the fire pit area. I'm gonna assume that it's gas. Get the shot, you can see the pool house over there. Then your own personal putting greens. Yeah, I wore my master's green today. I love to play golf, but I'm a very bad golfer. I tell all my friends that invite me, if you're willing to chase balls with me, help me find all my lost Titleist balls, please invite me. Neighbors' puppies want to say hey guys. It's nice. I just noticed this little platform. I'm sure you can chip from there. Hit any one of these holes that you pick. We'll keep walking. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the dogs. Golly, this is hard to beat. Man. All kinds of room. Lounge out on the side. Play a little cornhole. Lounge inside the pool. Check this out. Now I'm almost 40, so I'm not going to set this up and try this out for you because I'm going to blow out an ACL, but how fun would that be if you're a kid or got kids? Watch them out here. Built into the ground trampoline. The yard's fenced over here. Got a little patio area. Hang out. Watch the golfers. Catch some fish. I saw some fishing poles in storage. Got access to get out here, and like we saw from before, got a green over there, cart path, little fountain, ponds, and then the fairway they're coming from is back over here. Oh, they even have a little cookout table over here, I guess. Take a quick peek. Got some good storage back here, pool equipment, all that. Man, oh, I want to try that trampoline. My kids would have a blast on that. So what do y'all think of this backyard? Stuff of dreams or not? All right, we're almost done. We're gonna go inside the pool house real quick. Like I said, I showed it before, but see, we got these brick drains. Go along the whole way. All right, so the pool house, a lot of room. It's completely screened in, so whatever the temperature is, wind, all that outside, you can feel that in here. Looks like these lift up. I'm not going to play around with their power though, but just so you know it's there. So a lot of room to eat. Rouge table, all the cookware, grill, big green egg. Y'all look at the size of this event hood. That thing's huge. Here, let me back up so y'all can see that. That is a pretty large grill. I mean, I'm gonna say that grill is 36 inches or so. I mean, y'all know how big a big green egg is. Got room for pool table or any other kind of entertainment that you want. A little bit of area to lounge. Now a TV up there, start a fire. And you can't really see it, but I can. All this is screened in as well. And it looks like all of this will lift up as well if you need it to. So guys, that is it. I appreciate y'all watching this far. I appreciate y'all support on the other videos as well. I have a fantastic time getting to get out here and visit these amazing houses and bring them to you to show you. If you have any questions at all about this one, give me a shout. And again, thank y'all for watching. We're gonna close out a little bit of other drone video footage, the house and neighborhood, the golf course. But thank y'all for joining. Until next time.